Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everyone who's watching this, let me tell you, it has been a fantastic day yesterday. Some great wins. You had MI winning by 34 runs, and of course, we had CSK coming back to winning ways with that big win of 10 wickets. But that's not what we're discussing today. Today, we're discussing the match that we have in our hands, which is happening in Dubai. And of course, it's a big one. It's going to be a very, very interesting one. And that's the reason why हमारे पास जो धुरंधर हैं क्रिकेट के यहाँ पे हमारे पास हैं. So let's dive straight into the game. I'm going to start with you, Pragyan. A big match in our hands today, and we're going to see Virat Kohli versus Shreyas Iyer. Your take on this before we dive into the competition that we have.
Yeah, this is something I'm telling you. This is the future. जैसे हम predict करते हैं ना, Mumbai Indians versus CSK. This game, if you see, RCB versus DC will be the next big thing. क्योंकि दोनों captain are good. See, Virat Kohli, we don't have to say anything about him. He's a champion player. But if you see Shreyas Iyer, he has impressed me. He's been cool. There's nothing you can see on his face. बिल्कुल calm रहता है, and the way he's batting and the way he's leading his team. I know he's got a superb support staff. You know, Ricky Ponting is there. Last year they had Dada as a mentor. But you know, the way he's carried himself, I'm really impressed, and I'm really looking forward to this game.
Now, everybody is looking forward to this particular match because both these teams have won 3 matches out of 4. दोनों के दोनों teams जीत के आ रहे हैं. Of course, they're wanting to take off a lot of confidence going into this particular match. But we've got some very interesting matchups, Boria, especially when it comes to Virat Kohli versus Rabada. Now, Virat has not had such a great spell against Rabada. He's scored like 12 runs out of 13. Rabada's also dismissed him once. What do you think is going to happen today?
Yeah, this is a good one. This is a very good one. Yeah, Kagiso Rabada, perhaps the best bowler of the competition. उस दिन भी अगर आप देखें, Andre Russell went after him. एक boundary, एक छक्का. उसके बाद that short ball, beautiful catch by Anrich Nokia. You know, रिद्धिमा कोई भी अगर 150 and Pragyan will tell you this, 150 से कोई डालता है ना, तो जो भी आप हो, जितना भी अच्छा बैट्समैन आप हो, आपको देख के खेलना पड़ता है. Kagiso Rabada 145 to 150s में डालते हैं. So also Anrich Nokia. And death में डालते हैं, पहले डालते हैं. So basically the chances of getting wickets are more. And उस दिन जो मुझे अच्छा लगा, प्रज्ञा ने श्रेयस का बात किया, तो वो भी बोल दूं, श्रेयस the moment Andre Russell came into bat, उसने Kagiso Rabada को वापस लाया. So that tells you, go to man, have faith in this man, he's the boss, give it to him against the best player. I wouldn't be surprised अगर विराट कोहली जब भी बैटिंग करने के लिए आए, Kagiso Rabada को दे दो, चलो 2 over 2, let's test him by fire. This will be one heck of a one. Heart says Virat Kohli, of course does. Heart says Virat Kohli and will always say Virat Kohli. But trust you me, Kagiso Rabada is not one to be underestimated. If this was Virat Kohli back in, 50-50, that kind of form, then one could have said, but don't underestimate. I don't want to say it, that Kagiso Rabada will win because I'm an Indian. Having said that, Kagiso Rabada has a good chance.
Indeed. But yes, Pragyan, please.
Yeah, Riddhima, another important stats I'll tell you about the leg spinners. विराट कोहली जब भी लेग स्पिनर के अगेंस्ट खेलते हैं वो थोड़ा सा फंसते हैं. अगर हम देखेंगे विराट कोहली जैसा बल्लेबाज, like someone like Virat Kohli, he has only stepped out I think 3 or 4 times to leg spinners. That shows that he's little, that you know, that something is there in his head where he, if you see Virat Kohli or someone like of his stature, when a spinner is bowling, you see him stepping out, isn't it?
Yeah.
When do you step out? You only step out when you're so confident and you know that I can take him on right from the ball one. But यहाँ पे देखे तो Virat Kohli has only stepped out. He's played almost like 150 balls and 3 or 4 times he stepped out. Last game also, from the crease he was playing those shots. He was not stepping out. And if you see him in the nets also, what clip I've seen, he's trying to hit those shots by stepping out to Chahal and other leg spinners. He's questioning the bowlers, like, क्या मैं step out कर रहा हूँ? Am I reading the googly well? So that shows that he wants to improve there. And Mishra is the second highest wicket taker in this league. You know, you have got him in Delhi. That boy, I'm telling you, he's got something to do. I have a belief. I love competition, and as a bowler, I will.
This is a very good one. And the number of times Adam Zampa has dismissed Virat Kohli, Australia, India, Pragyan's point is well taken. But before you ask Rajarshi anything, Pragyan, what do you think of Amit Mishra's new hairstyle?
Dada, don't put me in a fix, huh? It looks good.
But
Oh,
Rashid,
man.
I mean, before Virat faces Rabada, we also have the openers there. You got Aaron Finch, Devdutt Padikkal. How are they going to face against Rabada? Because
Uh, Talking of face-offs, right? Because look, Rabada's express pace. But look, the best of bowlers, the best of batsmen, they have this IPL somehow, you know. The other day, okay, it was Sharjah, small ground, everybody knows. Bowlers have struggled there. In fact, Mumbai Indians did so incredibly well to keep their opposition under 200 after scoring those many runs. But under pressure, sometimes, and maybe it's a question Pragyan can take later, is is the fact that some of the best bowlers also struggle sometimes under pressure hitting the right lengths. When Rabada hit he constantly kept bowling the short balls to Juan Morgan in that zone, he kept getting zoned. But Devdutt Padikkal, it will be a real test. You're going to face what? Rabada, Neuer, and like Pragyan said, Amit Mishra, he's such a wily customer. He's experienced. So therein comes Devdutt Padikkal's moment of glory. So I'm waiting to see how Devdutt also holds up. We're talking of Boria, rightly said, his heart says Virat always, but it's going to be a stiff competition between the two. I actually want to see how Devdutt Padikkal negotiates the Pacers today, because it's going to be intense. Remember, and he has coming off from under-19 cricket. He has shown exactly what he's capable of, and he's taken some of the best bowlers in the business very well. But I'm looking for that competition, and somehow, I mean, again, I'm venturing. This is T20 cricket. Anything can happen. Funny things happen in cricket. But I'm venturing the opinion that Devdutt Padikkal will come out with another half century, and he'll hold himself against Rabada's pace and Neuer's while.
So he's putting his money on Devdutt Padikkal for fantasy. Not bad.
And he's very clearly also mentioned another big clash that is between Devdutt Padikkal and, of course, Norgia. So far, Boria, Devdutt, especially in the previous match, he's had a fine knock. You agree with that he'll be able to take off Rabada and Enric at the same time?
Yeah, he's got that classy elegance about him, and I have been watching Devdutt Padikkal since his under-19 days and then in KPL. And this is something MSK Prasad told me about a couple of weeks back, and we were discussing Devdutt, and he said, you know what, Boria, Devdutt Padikkal and KL Rahul, one of the best in the business in this format, batting together in a local game for Karnataka, and Devdutt Padikkal got to a 50 when Rahul was on 12. So that is the kind of shots this fellow has. He said he was on 50 when KL was on 12. So imagine what kind of talent this guy is blessed with. He's unreal. Yeah. And he proved it the first game. He proved it the last game also. He's able to take pressure. He's able to hold on. He's got technique. He's got proper class. He plays proper cricketing shots. He's a good enough boy. And he's got temperament. And who's he batting with? The captain of Australia. Who's he batting with? The captain of India. Who's he batting with? The legend from South Africa. If there was ever a learning, come on. Maybe De Villiers, Virat Kohli and Aaron Finch. Devdutt Padikkal's coaching class is complete. That's what the IPL does to you, according to me. I think the best learning for Devdutt Padikkal will be to bat with these three champions in this IPL.
All right. It is, Pragyan, you want to add to that? Yes,
one thing I would like to add. I wish that boy stayed back in Hyderabad, not going to Karnataka. Hyderabad would have got a gem.
You guys were feeding him too much biryani. That's why Virat Kohli has snatched him.
He was just too young. He was too young to. When I saw that he moved from Hyderabad to Bangalore, first thing as a cricketer, you feel, oh God, we missed the super talented boy. And I'm sure he's going to do wonders. When you talk about Devdutt Padikkal, then you can talk about that guy, Ashwin, off-spinner. That battle I want to see.
Yes.
Ashwin aake off-spin dal raha, and he's not just another off-spinner. He's one of the greatest off-spinner I can say in that group. So he coming and bowling, he won't come and just give away those runs or just bowl something and go away. He will have a plan. Mujhe lagta hai I'll see those competition. I'm looking at spinners doing well, but at the same time I want to see how Padikkal plays against Ashwin.
All right. And what about bowlers from the other end? You've got Shreyas Iyer versus Yuzvendra Chahal. Your spinners, how would that go?
That is another battle I'd want to see, very honestly, because RCB's bowling attack, look, they've persisted with their bowl, the core of their bowling attack. And sometimes Virat has come and he's faced a lot of criticism. But remember, he plays in Bangalore. Again, flat pitch, shorter boundaries, and they have to play 7 out of the 14 league games in a place like Bangalore, and they have come to their own. The game tonight is the Dubai International Cricket Stadium, where the Pacers have also come into play. You keep talking of Sharjah, high-scoring games. This ground has seen middling totals, but the Pacers have held their own. And this is another scenario where Yuzvendra Chahal, he's, I would go with it. Pragyan can correct me if he thinks I'm wrong, but I think Chahal is the best T20 leg spinner by far. You talk of Zampa, you talk of Amit Mishra, but हम जब चहल की बात करते हैं ना, आप चाहे इंडिया के लिए बात करें, चाहे आरसीबी के लिए बात करें, he has by far shown that he's a league apart as far as T20 cricket is concerned. Shreyas Iyer, coming from he was 88 not out. Funnily enough, he didn't get enough of the strike in the last over. Boria and we were discussing the other day that Shreyas should have got much more strike, but that's one battle that will be very interesting. It's a good comparison. You bringing up these comparisons with me, specifically putting me in a spot, but Iyer and Chahal, that is going to be one battle that I'm looking for. By the time maybe he gets to bat, because you have a formidable couple of openers at the top for Delhi. Hopefully by the time for Delhi, when Shreyas comes into bat, he would have had to face about 2 or 3 overs from Chahal. That is going to be an intense battle.
Right. Now, yes, please.
I just want Pragyan to sort of tell me one thing. UZ came in to bowl in the 3rd over, right? 4th over. When we call Virat's captaincy, UZ Chahal, wicket. Robin Uthappa partnership, back UZ Chahal, another wicket. Navdeep, wicket. Talk about that also, yaar. The way he's captained that last game was sensationally good, Virat Kohli. Yeah. So UZ Chahal, this one I think Ridhima has got a very good point. UZ Chahal versus Shreyas. What is your take? And talk to us about UZ Chahal.
If first I'll come to Virat Kohli's captaincy. If you see last 2 games, the bowling changes that he's done, it shows that he is slowly understanding his bowlers. We have seen that with the Indian team, but RCB somehow it was missing. कहीं ना कहीं हम ये देख रहे थे कि RCB में थोड़ा वो उनका डेथ बॉलिंग का इश्यूज था, बट नाउ ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन हमने देखा, हमने सोचा कि अरे एक फास्ट बॉलर कम है शायद क्या होगा, बट व्हेन यू सी दैट द वे ही इज बीन रोटेटिंग हिज बॉलर्स एंड ही इज मेड हिज रोल्स, ही इज गिवन हिज बॉलर्स specific role. UZ Chahal, you come, you're going for the wickets. We don't want you to come and contain. We want you to come and bowl and take those wickets. Even when he was bowling in the power play, if you see, he was bowling slow. He was inviting the batsmen to go after him. Sanju Samson, he's in a tremendous form, but he was trying to make him drive. And when he's trying to toss the ball, he's not just releasing the ball. He's giving those revs on the ball. So that's the reason Sanju Samson thought the ball is for they're there to drive. But, it just fell a little short of good length where, he just misjudged the line. And that only happens when you give a lot of revolution to the ball. And then the way he uses the angles and all, I'm really impressed, See, I can say he's one of the best bowlers, but when you talk about Mishra and if you see his numbers, you say both are good. That competition will be also interesting to see how these 2 leg spinners do. But UZ Chahal, Virat has clear plans for him. Like whenever you come, I want wickets from you. If you go like 4 overs 50 also, if you give me 2 wickets or 3 wickets, I'm happy with you. And that's how I feel, you should encourage your bowlers. You have to give specific roles in IPL.
Good point.
Bure, you asked about Virat, and of course we speak about RCB because it's got a lot of star power. You're talking about the Indian skipper on the other end. But considering the fact the way DC have played so far, even Shreyas Iyer as a captain needs to be thrown some light at.
Oh, very good. Very, very good. I think they're the best team in the competition, DC, because of the depth. So if one fellow gets injured, Ravi Ashwin gets injured. Now he's a big player, right? Ravi Ashwin. Immediately Amit Mishra comes in. One of them get injured, Akshar Patel is sitting out. Prithvi Shaw got hit in the foot. Who's sitting out? Ajinkya Rahane, one of the best in the business, Indian vice captain. Shimron Hetma, we are questioning Shimron Hetma. If he has to sit out, who plays? Alex Carey, one of the best in the business from Australia. So look at this Delhi side. They've got replacements for everybody. And in a competition like this, 2 months, people will get injured, people will get tired. you have replacements. According to me, the team to beat in this competition is the Delhi Capitals. If they don't win with this team, with the kind of depth, I will be very playoffs for sure for Delhi Capitals, because they've got such talent. They've got such talent. Last year when Rabada went away, and all of a sudden the team went bust. This year they've got Henrik Nokia. Now Henrik Nokia is bowling at equal pace as Rabada, so he's the filler bowler. And then they have. I was very impressed with Harshal Patel's change of pace. Come on, man. I mean, from the back of the hand, change of pace. Front of the hand, there's a cutter. A beautiful change of pace. Very, very much like Tom Curran. Delhi Capitals has impressed me big time. And a lot of credit to Shreyas Iyer. I pointed out the Andre Russell call. The moment Russell came, and I was in my heart of hearts, come on, Shreyas, go to your big boy. Go to your big boy. And he goes. And that shows you the captain's on the money. Wants to win it. Not flustered, clearly, and also think how he has persisted. Prithvi Shaw, 3-4 lean games, no call. Prithvi Shaw. So he's got faith in Prithvi Shaw. The way he's maneuvered himself, tonking the ball. Look at how he used Marcus Stoinis. Tells you a story. The way he's used Marcus Shreyas Iyer. I've got KL Rahul in mind, but you've got to say if somebody is the future, this fellow is also the future.
But talking about the present in that case, where you have these two teams who are equally, sort of placed right now in the tournament, you're saying DC is a great team, especially because of the depth. So if it's RCB versus DC, who are you going forward to?
See, I think Delhi has more depth. I'm saying this. I mean, if you take a look at that RCB bowling attack, except a Chahal, whether it's an Isuru, Udana or a Navdeep Sen is damn good. Very good.
Yeah.
Whether it's any one of them, Adam Zampa, there is a bit of a weak link there as well, the fifth bowler. Here, there is no weak link. Nokia, Rabada, Mishra, Stoinis, and Ravi Ashwin. Who's your weak link? And with a backup in Harshal Patel. So, most of the other teams struggle with fifth bowler किसे करवाएंगे 2 ओवर इसको दे दो 2 ओवर उसको दे दो चलो 4 ओवर खिला देते हैं 1 ओवर इसको डाल देते हैं दिल्ली को ये नहीं करना है दिल्ली जानता है श्रेयस अय्यर जानता है चलो भाई बॉल दे देंगे चलो डालो 1 ओवर डालो 2 ओवर डालो तो मेरे पास वो आर्सेनल दैट इज व्हाई आई थिंक मेरा फैंटेसी टीम आप अगर आप देखोगे तो आपको दिख जाएगा कि आई हैव गॉन दैट वे आई हैव ट्राइड टू बैलेंस इट आउट बिकॉज अगेन वो सेंटिमेंट से फैंटेसी खेलोगे तो हारोगे बट विराट कोहली जब आ जाता है तो थोड़ा सा सेंटिमेंट तो आ ही जाता है
राइट Now that you've gotten the fantasy team, let's get to that. Let's select the Dream 11, gentlemen. I'll start with you, Pragyan. Go for it.
You're putting always. You know that I'm the weak link here. Okay. I saw Boriada's team. I really liked it. To be very frank, I know I really haven't understood how it goes. I'm trying to learn the way Boriada. The other day Boriada was. In the group he was chatting like this bowler Russell can bowl and get those wickets and that's why it's very easy for him. For me, I see the game in a very different way. I see like a proper cricket kind of a way. So I'll go with Boriada's team. I think that'll do wonders.
All right, maybe one we'll put out that team, by the way, for our viewers. We'll put that team out. Maybe one, Ridhima, I've got to make this point. And I was explaining before the show, and then Rajeshi and you can give your teams, that people come to us and say, अरे भाई हम क्यों नहीं जीत रहे हैं? अरे यार जीतोगे क्या? रोहित शर्मा ने 40-50 मारा है in his IPL career, in 200 games. अगर तुम रोहित शर्मा को कैप्टन बना दो तो 5 में एक ही बार जीतोगे ना? एंड यहाँ पे आप एक रोहित शर्मा नहीं 22 लोगों को लेके खेल रहे हो, उस पे आप कॉम्बिनेशन बना रहे हो, तो वो कॉम्बिनेशन राइट हो जाना प्रॉपर आपको नॉलेज लगेगा. आप ऐसे जाके जीत नहीं जाओगे, इंपल्स में खेल दिया पैसे जीत गया, अरे कम ऑन यार, ऐसे नहीं जीतोगे. सो दैट इज फैंटेसी इज नॉट इजी टू विन कि मैंने खेल लिया जीत गया. नो सर, आई विल गिव यू वन मोर टिप टुडे फॉर फैंटेसी. अगर आप इस टूर्नामेंट में रन्स देखें, एवरेज रन्स देखें, हाउ मेनी 130-40 फिनिशेस हैव यू सीन? हार्डली एनी, राइट? You have seen 170, 180, 190, 200. That's your ballpark. Basically 170 to 200. कल भी अगर आप देखें 210, शारदा छोड़ दीजिए. Even second game 180. So what does that tell you? And at an average कितना विकेट जा रहा है? 4 या 5. Correct? So हर bowler 1 या 2 विकेट ले रहा है maximum. कोई भी बॉलर आपको देखिए 3-4 विकेट ले लिया उसने, नहीं लिया ना। सो अगर एक बॉलर मैक्स 2 विकेट ले रहा है तो कितना पॉइंट देगा आपको? 29 into 58 points, right? So a bowler max to max, if he's taking 1 he's giving you 29, if he's taking 2 he'll give you 58 points. Now कितना मैच में आपने देखा है बैट्समैन ने 50 मारा है? हर मैच में देखा है आपने। और वो 50 में कितना बाउंड्री, कितना ओवर बाउंड्री होगा? एटलीस्ट 5 या 6 बाउंड्री, 2 ओवर बाउंड्री होंगे, राइट? सो अगर आप 50 में 50 पॉइंट प्लस बाउंड्री प्लस ओवर बाउंड्री का पॉइंट लगा लें तो आप देख लीजिए किसको किसको वाइस कैप्टन बनाना है। सो बैटिंग पैक कर दीजिए। दिल्ली और ये बैंगलोर का मैच में बैटिंग पैक कर दीजिए, डाल दीजिए विराट कोहली, एरन फिंच, देवदत्त पडिक्कल, पृथ्वी शॉ, शिखर धवन हैजंट फायर्ड, सो श्रेयस अय्यर, ऋषभ पंत, डाल दीजिए इस सारे को। दैट्स योर पंट। 2 बॉलर्स डालिए, ये कागिसो रबाडा एंड युजवेंद्र चहल, क्योंकि इनको हर मैच में विकेट मिला है। एंड देन लास्ट कॉम्बिनेशन, ये 8, अगर आप मल्टीपल टीम से फैंटेसी खेल रहे हो ना, 8 टीम 9 टीम, मैं तो 11 टीम से खेलता हूँ, मैं 11 टीम से फैंटेसी खेलता हूँ। आई मेक 11 टीम्स एंड आई प्ले बिकॉज आई लव इट एंड आई डोंट प्ले फॉर विनिंग मनी, आई डू विन, आई एम पुटिंग इट ऑन रिकॉर्ड, आई हैव won big money on fantasy, but I play because I love it, I like the permutations, combinations, etc. So अगर आप ऐसे खेल रहे हो, पूरा बैटिंग पैक कर दो और ये 8 प्लेयर को कांस्टेंट रखो, जो मैंने बोला 6 बैट्समैन 2 बॉलर, ये 8 को कांस्टेंट रख के लास्ट 3 को फ्लेक्सिबल कर दो, क्योंकि वो लास्ट 3 एक दिन सिद्धार्थ कौल 2 विकेट लेके जाएगा। कल देख लीजिए, सिद्धार्थ कौल वाज बेटर और नटराजन वाज बेटर। प्रज्ञान ओझा विल टेल यू नटराजन वाज 200 टाइम्स बेटर। नाउ आई विल टेल यू फैंटेसी में किसको पॉइंट मिला? सिद्धार्थ कौल को पॉइंट मिला, नटराजन को 0 पॉइंट मिला, क्योंकि उसने विकेट नहीं लिया। ये फैंटेसी अलग है बॉस, फैंटेसी अलग गेम है, ये क्रिकेट नहीं है, ये फैंटेसी स्पोर्ट है, और उसको फैंटेसी स्पोर्ट की तरह खेलिए।
This is fantastic. This is like a crash course in selecting a Dream 11 and playing fantasy game. But these are very, very interesting points. Really interesting points. Rajshri, you agree with Borea's Dream 11? You want to make any changes there?
Absolutely. No. If you look at my Dream 11, it's based on his theories and his expertise, because he's very right. When you're picking up a fantasy team, right, you're not quite thinking like a captain. The other day we were discussing, Pragyan, I was telling you that, I woke up in the middle of the night wondering whether I should have M. Ashwin or Mujib in the lineup, because now you're starting to think of points. You also remember you're picking up a captain and vice captain, because in certain times in certain fantasy games, the captain doing well, you get twice the points. Similarly with the vice captain, you pick up your vice captain basis that, not based on emotions.
Yeah.
So that's why you pack your team with, sometimes depending on conditions, obviously wherever you're playing. So if in Sharjah, like Bori also mentioned the other day, when you're playing in Sharjah, तो आपको बैट्समैन पे फोकस करना पड़ेगा। आपको वहां पे शारजा में आपको 130 डिफेंडर तो नहीं दिखेंगे, आपको 160 डिफेंडर तो नहीं दिखेंगे। बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग अगर कोई करता है, जैसे मुंबई इंडियंस ने दिखाया था संडे को, दे रिस्ट्रिक्टेड द ऑपोजिशन टू अंडर 200. दैट इज अ वेरी वेरी रेयर सिनेरियो। योर बॉलर्स लाइक, you don't, every team doesn't have Trent Bolt and Pattinson steaming in, giving away 7.5 runs in the 4 overs at a venue like Sharjah. So for example, I've packed my team with batsmen and all-rounders. I have obviously Devdutt Padikkal, I have Prithvi Shaw, Rishabh Pant. I'm backing him to do wonders at some point in time, hopefully sometime tonight against RCB. AB de Villiers, Shreyas Iyer, Virat Kohli. Marcus Stoinis had to be there because he can deliver with the ball. He will, if he gets to bat higher up enough, he has the chance to potential to also deliver big with the bat. And then the bowling was pretty simple. You have because again, depending on the venue, so I have to have the 3 best pacers I could lay my hands on. It was Rabada, Neuer, Saini, and you can't go without Yuzvendra Chahal, who is so far the purple cap holder in the IPL, and he will, I think, make an impact in any condition. So you got to, well, like Boria said, you cannot play fantasy cricket with basis on emotion. आपको समझना पड़ेगा। आपको उन्होंने day 1 में बोरिया ने ये भी कहा था, you have to look at 2 or 3 factors. You have to look at the venue. आप कैप्टन्स की बात सुनिए टॉस पे, आप इंजरी अपडेट्स रखिए। ऐसा नहीं कि आप अपने टीम में भुवनेश्वर कुमार को लेके चले गए, सोच रहे एक्सपीरियंस, वो शायद 2-3 मैच के लिए ना खेले। आपको ये सब चीजें भी बड़े सारे फैक्टर्स में रखने पड़ेंगे, जैसे बोरिया ने नॉलेज, और आपको अप टू डेट रहना पड़ेगा हर चीज के लिए। उसी स्पोर्ट्स टुडे वे पीपल शुड watch us and see these updates and see what these 2 absolute experts have to say on cricket and fantasy.
Absolutely. Rajashri has just made one change to the Dream 11 selected by Boria, which is in the bowlers, and he's not gone with Udana. Your reason of selecting him, Boria?
My
because
reason
he
first?
bowls death, because he bowls death and he bowls up front. Because अगर आप देखें वो पहले डालेंगे और पृथ्वी शॉ अटैक करेंगे और अटैक करते हुए बॉल अंदर आता है उड़ाना का, बॉल अंदर आएगा और बॉल अंदर आएगा, पृथ्वी शॉ इज ससेप्टेबल या शिखर धवन बॉल बाहर जाएगा और वो स्लैश मारेंगे, पॉइंट आउट हो सकता है, स्लिप आउट हो सकता है. सो इसुरु उडाना हैज दिस अनकैनी नैक ऑफ पिकिंग विकेट्स. मैं आपको एक फैंटेसी का एग्जांपल दे दूं, ये बहुत दिलचस्प गेम है. मैं उस दिन रात को इंग्लैंड वर्सेस वेस्ट इंडीज खेल रहा था और रात का 2 बजे गेम खत्म हुआ, ठीक है. तो मेरा टीम, मैं जीत रहा था माने बिग मनी जीत रहा था. सडनली मेरा टीम में हेदर नाइट थे वाइस कैप्टन, एंड आई वाज कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग कि ये जो ओवर आएगा ये कैथरीन ब्रंट विकेट लेके जाएंगे, बट फॉर सम रीजन कैथरीन ब्रंट किसी दूसरे ने उनको कैप्टन बना दिया था. कैथरीन ब्रंट को विकेट मिला, डबल पॉइंट्स हो गया, वो कैप्टन थे, मैं पीछे आ गया. सो आई वाज लाइक ओ लॉर्ड, मैं हेदर नाइट को कैप्टन बनाया था बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑलराउंड एबिलिटी. And at 1:45, I was telling myself, nonsense, I waited up to play this. Now I've lost it. Now I'll switch it off. Rubbish. And there were 2 balls left. Trust me, 2 balls. And I was in line. I was about to win somewhere around between 30 and 50,000 rupees if Heather Knight played well. And if otherwise, I was supposed to win 200 rupees. So that was the difference.
Oh.
Okay, so that's what happens in fantasy. So I was like gone. So I mean, my winnings are gone. Now close your phone and sleep off. So I was watching on that app. Last ball of the match, the player gets run out. Guess who gets the run out? Heather Knight. I topple back again to the top 10 and make serious amount of money. That's what happens in fantasy.
Ridhima, can you just add to Boria's point here?
Sure, please.
When you're talking about fantasy cricket and you're talking about strategy, okay, now Boria's been playing this for what, 4-5 years, Boria?
Yeah,
You've been playing this for a long time.
Since the time it started.
Since the time it
playing
started.
for them, yeah.
So he's experienced. Like Pragyan is a...
I first started playing fantasy when I was in England with fantasy football. So
There you
I
go.
used to play fantasy football. And then when fantasy came to India, I moved on to playing fantasy cricket.
So absolutely.
Boria, I
that is
have a
why
plan.
He has...
Bolna.
I have a plan. I have an offer for you. Let's join and start a business together. See, I know. With all due respect, Rajashrida and Boriada, like the way you're thinking about fantasy, it will take for me, it will take some time to understand, the dynamics, because I've always seen cricket in a very different way as a player. Boriada, you can
Yeah, of
understand
course.
as a
And that's
cricketer.
how you should. Ultimately,
Yeah.
you're a champion player.
So it'll take some time for me, but I'll reach you.
No, Pragyan, it will be
Ridhima-
easier for you when you reach there because you would have been a part of all my fantasy teams. When Pragyan was just playing in the
Okay,
IPL, Pragyan was just...
one more example. One more example,
Yeah.
which will clarify. I know our time's up.
Yeah.
Hyderabad. Now, if you think 1, 2, 3, 4, how many people invested in Williamson? Go check whether it's in all the fantasy leagues. Jitna companies are Dream 11, My Circle 11, Paytm, XYZ, जितना मर्जी कंपनी हो गया अभी, सब जाके केन विलियमसन पे पैसे लगाते हैं क्योंकि केन विलियमसन है, बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर है. एंड है कहाँ पे मैच था? शारजा में. केन विलियमसन कहाँ बैटिंग कर रहा है? 4 में. 4 कब आएगा? वेरी रेयर कि आपका टॉप 3 जब बेस्टो, वार्नर और मनीष पांडे हैं कि वो आउट हो जाएंगे जल्दी. हार्डली होगा शारजा में. तो केन विलियमसन का चांस तभी आएगा जब 12, 13, 14 ओवर हो चुका है. करेक्ट. सो अगर वो 12, 13, 14 ओवर में आएंगे, कितना बनाएंगे? 25-30 रन. वो रासेल तो है नहीं कि आके छक्का मारना शुरू करें. तो अगर वो 20-25 रन बनाए तो आपको कितना पॉइंट्स देंगे? वो फैंटेसी में नहीं देंगे पॉइंट्स. और अगर द प्रेशर इज ऑन, आउट हो जाएंगे. कल हुआ तो वो कितना पॉइंट्स आपको देंगे? इसलिए मैंने केन विलियमसन को नहीं रखा था. सो दैट इज हाउ यू प्ले योर फैंटेसी गेम्स.
Okay.
Amazing.
Want to take it.
Amazing. These are some really good points. Really good points for
बोलना नहीं
everybody
चाहिए.
watching
मैं
this.
हार जाऊंगा, आप लोग सब जीत जाओगे.
लेकिन हमारा शो देखें आप और आप जीते, and that is the whole point. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this because there were some serious points in here to select your dream 11, and of course the match that we have in our hands today. Gentlemen, before I say my biased quick predictions, I'll start with you, Pragyan.
You're asking me who's gonna win?
Yes, that's what I'm asking you.
It's like, you've got two Indian captains, and I adore them. Virat Kohli, he's a role model, and Shreyas Iyer, I feel, he's becoming that contender to be the next captain. I feel, because the way he's doing things. We know Rahul is there, but the way you see this guy functions, I'm a fan of him now. So it's very difficult, but I'll go with DC.
All right, DC it is to Pragyan. Borja?
Same. I want Virat Kohli to score, but I think Delhi has a better team.
All right, Delhi has a better team. Rajshri?
Bring in some spice tomorrow when we discuss RCB winning. I am going to going in with RCB. It'll be amazing if I actually.
I like it.
And who are you going with?
Who, me? I'm going with RCB because
so
I'm expecting another big knock from Virat. Yes, it's 2 versus 2. So yeah, we've got 2 people supporting RCB. You've got 2 people supporting DC out here. We'll find out. The match is not very far away. So thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining in. And thank you everyone for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this.